Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, That's So Raven's World. As you can tell by the title of this video, and if you watched my last video, today I'm going to be doing my makeup. I mean, if you like my hair though, you can go watch my last video. I'll leave it somewhere at the end of the video or in the description box. I'm just going to be doing something that kind of matches my shirt a little bit, maybe my hair. I'm not really sure. I'm about to freestyle this. I don't have really a set, you know what I'm saying, a set goal. And this is not really a tutorial, it's just a watch me. So yeah, if you like the video, don't forget to like it. You dislike it, don't forget to dislike it. And always subscribe, okay? So without further ado, let's get into it. And FYI, I don't think I'm gonna talk the rest of the video. I think I'm just gonna do, you know what I'm saying, and you can watch. I'll put little, you know what I'm saying, text everywhere to let you know. But yeah, like I said, this is just a watching video. Just clear it now. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I turn. No comparison.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what was happening? What was happening? Bitch, I'm a savage.
Hips tick tock when I dance. On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans. Big B and that B stand for bands. If you wanna see some real ass, baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low then swing. Texas up in this thing, put you up on this game. I be parking my frame, gang, 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 gang. If you don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Please don't give me hype, write my name in ice. Can't argue with these lazy bitches, I just raise my price. I'm a boss, I'm a leader, I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Got this shit from Tina. Left cheek, right cheek, please don't give me hype. Left cheek, right cheek, write my name in ice.
Real ass, real ass, real ass, real ass.
Got this shit from Tina.
I'm a savage.
Got this shit from Tina. I pop my shit, now watch me pop up again. Too much drip, ooh. Keep it ripped, ooh. You still at chase, ayy. Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I turn. No comparison.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what was happening? What was happening? Bitch, I'm a savage.
Hips tick tock when I dance. On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans. Big B and that B stand for bands. If you wanna see some real ass, baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low then swing. Texas up in this thing, put you up on this game. I be parking my frame, gang, 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 gang. If you don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Please don't give me hype, write my name in ice. Can't argue with these lazy bitches, I just raise my price. I'm a boss, I'm a leader, I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Got this shit from Tina. Left cheek, right cheek, please don't give me hype. Left cheek, right cheek, write my name in ice.
Real ass, real ass, real ass, real ass.
Got this shit from Tina.
I'm a savage.
Got this shit from Tina. I pop my shit, now watch me pop up again. Too much drip, ooh. Keep it ripped, ooh. You still at chase, ayy. I'm a savage. Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I turn. No comparison.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what was happening? What was happening? Bitch, I'm a savage.
Hips tick tock when I dance. On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans.
Okay guys, so my camera went dead, so I went ahead, I did decide to let my phone charge up. Actually it's on the charger for now. I just put my charger here and I put it on the phone. I put my charger on the phone. Yeah, that's right. I put my charger on the phone. So yeah, this is my side finish, and now we're just gonna go ahead and do this side. Y'all, it's been a process. Okay, it's been a process.
Yeah, classy, bougie, ratchet. Yeah, sassy, moody, nasty. Yeah, acting stupid. What was happening? Bitch, what was happening? Bitch, I was savage.
Hips tick tock when I dance. On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans. Big B and that B stand for bands. If you wanna see some real ass, baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low this swing. Texas up in this thing, put you up on this game. I be parking my frame, gang, 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 gang. If you don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Please don't give me hype, write my name in ice. Can't argue with these lazy bitches, I just raise my price. I'm a boss, I'm a leader, I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Got this shit from Tina. Left cheek, right cheek, please don't give me hype. Left cheek, right cheek, write my name in ice. Real ass, real ass, real ass, real ass. Got this shit from Tina. I'm a savage. No. I'm a savage. No. Got this shit from Tina. I pop my shit, now watch me pop up again. Too much drip, keep it ripped, you still a change, I'm sad, alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
I'm a savage. Yeah, classy, bougie, ratchet. Yeah, sassy, moody, nasty. Yeah. Acting stupid. What was happening? Bitch, what was happening? Bitch, I was savage.
Hips tick tock when I dance. On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans. Big B and that B stand for bands. If you wanna see some real ass, baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low this swing. Texas up in this thing, put you up on this game. I be parking my frame, gang, 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 gang. If you don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Please don't give me hype, write my name in ice. Can't argue with these lazy bitches, I just raise my price. I'm a boss, I'm a leader, I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Got this shit from Tina. Left cheek, right cheek, please don't give me hype. Left cheek, right cheek, write my name in ice. Real ass, real ass, real ass, real ass. Got this shit from Tina. I'm a savage. No. I'm a savage. No. Got this shit from Tina. I pop my shit, now watch me pop up again. Too much drip, keep it ripped, you still a change, I'm sad, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
I'm a savage. Yeah, classy, bougie, ratchet. Yeah, sassy, moody, nasty. Yeah.
Okay guys, so I'm officially done. This is the finished look. As you can tell, I was going through it because I didn't know what I wanted to do to my face. So yeah, this I definitely trial and error. This one over here, it was a little bit easier because, you know what I'm saying, I already knew what I wanted to do because, you know, this eye, whatever, like that, things not to do because of this eye. So yeah, this is the finished look. If you like it, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. If you do have any questions, or like I said with my hair video, if you have any better way that I can do these things, or any advice that will help me out throughout the process, please let me know. If you want to do anything else, trial or error, or if I know how to do it or not, just let me know down in the comment box, okay? And without further ado, like I said, hope you liked it. Bye.